this is like one of the best spots in there. Like a really good spot. There's like so many cranes and turtles and.
Yeah, there's a lot of good wildlife you can see here.
I know, and the fish are jumping. I don't know if they're carp.
I think they're carp, yeah. Yeah, and depending on the day, you can get a really active day with eagles and osprey.
Oh, nice.
And sometimes you'll see the kingfishers. They like go out into the branches sticking out there.
I love kingfishers.
But they're really hard to photograph because they move so quick.
Oh, yeah. They're like here, there in seconds. The other day we saw like a duck with like 15 ducklings. It was like so many of them. I guess, I don't know, maybe like the eagles hadn't gotten to them yet.